Namaste students. Welcome back to our Hindi literature class. Today we are going to learn a very beautiful nature poem, Parvat Pradesh Mein Pavas, written by the famous Hindi poet Sumitra Nandan Pant. In this poem, the poet beautifully describes the rainy season in the mountains. He shows us the beauty of clouds, waterfalls, lakes, trees, and mountains through wonderful imagination and poetic language. While studying this poem, we will understand the meaning of difficult Hindi words, learn the line by line explanation in simple English, and also enjoy the beauty of nature shown by the poet. This poem teaches us how nature changes every moment during the rainy season and how deeply the poet observes the natural world around him. So, students, get ready to enjoy the magical beauty of mountains and rain through poetry. Let us begin our lesson. Parvat Pradesh में पावस. Parvat Pradesh में पावस. The simple meaning of this title is rainy season in the mountain region. पावस ऋतु थी पर्वत प्रदेश, पल पल परिवर्तित प्रकृति वेश. मेखलाकार पर्वत अपार, अपने सहस्त्र दुर्ग सुमन फाड़. अवलोक रहा है बार बार, नीचे जल में निज महाकार. The meaning of the first line, पावस ऋतु थी, पर्वत प्रदेश. Pavas means rainy season. Parvat is mountain. Pradesh means region. So the meaning of this line is, it was rainy season in the mountain area. Pal pal parivartit prakriti vesh. Pal pal means every moment. Parivartit means changing. Prakriti is nature and vesh is appearance of form. That means nature was changing its appearance every moment. Meklakar Parvat Apar. Meklakar means belt shaped. That is the mountain range. Parvat, mountains. Apar means endless or vast. The endless mountains looked like a long belt around the earth. Apne Sahasra Durg Suman Fad. Apne means there. Sahasra is thousand. Durg means ice. Suman, flowers. Fad means spreading or opening. The mountains seem to open their thousands of flower-like eyes. Avalok raha hai bar bar. Avalok means looking or watching. Raha hai is. Bar bar means again and again. They were watching again and again. Niche jal mein nij mahakar. Niche means below. Jal is water. Me means in. Nij is own. And mahakar means a huge form or a giant image. The mountains were seeing their own huge reflection in the water below. So let me summarize the stanza for you. The poet says that it is the rainy season in the mountains and nature is changing its appearance every moment. Now imagine this. The mountains are so big and wide, and the poet says they look like they are watching their own reflection in the water below. It is like when you stand in front of the mirror and look at yourself again and again. This is called personification, giving human qualities to nature. Can mountains really see? No. But why does the poet say this? He says this to make nature feel alive and expressive. Moving on to the second stanza. जिसके चरणों में पला ताल, दर्पण सा फैला है विशाल. गिरी का गौरव गाकर जर्जर, मद में नस नस उत्तेजित कर. मोती की लदियों से सुंदर, झरते हैं झाग भर निर्झर. जिसके चरणों में पला ताल, जिसके whose. Charno means feet. Me in. Pala means grew or existed. Tal is pond or lake. These lines mean at the feet of the mountains, the lake had formed. Darpan sa फैला है विशाल. Darpan sa like a mirror. फैला है spread out. Vishal vast or huge. The lake spread widely like a giant mirror. Giri ka gaurav gakar zarzar. Giri means mountain. Ka of gaurav glory. Gakar means singing. Zarzar flowing sound of waterfall. The waterfalls were flowing while singing the glory of the mountains. Mad में नस नस उत्तेजित कर. Mad means joy or enjoyment. May means in. Nas nas every nerve. Uttejit excited. Kar making. The joyful atmosphere excited every nerve of the body. मोती की लड़ियों से सुंदर. Moti means pearls. Ki is of. Ladiyon, strings or chains. Se means like. Sundar means beautiful. The waterfall looked beautiful like strings of pearls. Zarte hai jaag bare nirzar. Zarte hai fall or flow. Jag means foam. Bhare filled. Nirzar waterfalls. The foamy waterfalls were continuously flowing down. What this stanza means is the poet describes the lake at the foot of the mountain. He says, the lake is spread out like a huge mirror, so the mountains can see its reflection clearly. Then comes waterfall. They are flowing continuously and looks like string of pearls because of the white foam. It feels as if the waterfalls are praising the greatness of the mountain. Why do you think the poet compares waterfalls to pearls? Because they are white, shining, and beautiful. This is called imagery, using words to create a picture in our mind. गिरिवर के उर से उठ उठकर उच्च आकांक्षाओं से तरवर है जाग रहे नीरव नभ पर अनिमेष अटल कुछ चिंता पर उड़ गया अचानक लो बूदर फड़का अपार पारद के पर गिरिवर के उर से उठ उठकर गिरिवर means great mountain. K of ur heart or chest. Say from. Ut utkar rising repeatedly. Clouds were rising again and again from the heart of the mountains. Uch akankshaon se tarwar. Uch akankshaon ambitions, high desires. Say with taruvar trees. The tall trees looked full of high ambitions. हैं जाग रहे नीरव नभ पर. हैं are झांक रहे peeping or looking. नीरव silent. नभ sky. पर at or towards. The trees seem to peep silently toward the sky. Animesh, atal, kuch chinta par. Animesh, without blinking. Atal, steady or firm. Kuch, somewhat. Chinta par, thoughtful or worried. They stood still, gazing steadily at the sky as if deep in thought. उड़ गया अचानक लो बूदर. उड़ गया flew away. अचानक suddenly. Lo look. Budhar mountain. Look, suddenly the mountain seemed to fly away. फड़का अपार, पारद के पर. Fadka, fluttered. Apar, vast. Parad, mercury or silver like cloud. K, off. Par, wings. The huge silver colored clouds spread like giant wings in the sky. Now the focus shifts to trees. The poet says trees are growing upward from the mountain as if they have ambitions. They are looking silently at the sky. It feels like they are thinking deeply, just like humans think about their goals. Have you ever looked at the sky and thought about your dreams? Just like you, the trees are also dreaming of reaching higher. Then suddenly, clouds move quickly across the mountains. The poet compares them to shining wings of Mercury. This shows sudden movement and brightness.